Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the source code. My name is Deshawn, and today I just have a quick update video for you guys. The Java series is going to be coming to an end, so we are going to be getting started on making some more fuller-fledged plugins, making the content a little bit more interesting than just the Java basics. But also on top of that, I would like to introduce one of our new content creators. Unfortunately, he's not actually in this video, so it's kind of a little awkward. But a lot of you guys know him from our Discord server, Seb or Sebastian YN. Yeah, he's going to be coming to the channel. He's going to be bringing you guys some JavaScript videos, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Due to some scheduling issues and restrictions, he will be uploading on just Mondays, but once the semester winds down for him, he will be uploading twice a week, just like the rest of us. So I'm really excited for this. The source code is really growing into something really amazing. You know, the fact that we now have 3 total content creators. We have a channel that has I don't even remember how many subscribers, because we have over 4,000 subscribers. We're growing so fast I can't even keep track of it. Our Discord has almost 1,500 members. It's really been amazing, guys, and I really want to thank everybody for their constant support, their constant dedication to the channel, to the Discord. It really means a lot, and I'm really excited to see where this channel is where it's gonna take us. You know, according to Social Play statistics, by a year and 8 months, we should be at 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna try to see if we can get there a little bit faster than that. But yeah, so I just want to thank everybody for just being awesome, keeping the channel alive, keeping it going. We're trying to bring you guys some really good content. The schedule's been pretty busy for me and Ned. Ned, you know, having some personal life things to deal with, you know, such as work and everything else. Me having work in college and, you know, finals, and I'm graduating this May. So it's been a little busy, it's been a little hectic. The content is probably not where I would really like it to be right now. But I'm hoping once the semester winds down, we'll be bringing you guys the content that you fell in love with when you first joined the source code. So yeah, I just want to thank everybody once again, and be sure to leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. Let me know what's going on, guys. I want to hear you guys' feedback in the description, so be sure to leave it. So see you guys later.